Hey everybody, welcome back to Brighten-up-Sunshine, where every day is a new beginning. I hope you take a second, thumbs up today's artwork. And I want to tell you, in today's video, we're going to dive into 5 smart investments that you can be making during a recession to protect and grow your wealth. We're going to cover some recession-proof investments, why they work, and how investing wisely today can actually help protect your wealth. Let's get started. Understanding recession-proof investments is going to be essential for you. So these investments we'll be talking about are designed to withstand the economic downturns and provide you with some stability, which we all need. During a recession, certain assets actually tend to perform better due to their inherent stability and their demand. So understanding these will help safeguard your portfolio. I want you to research historical performance of various asset classes during recessions to make informed decisions. Understanding recession-proof investments is going to be the first step to financial security. Investing in defensive stocks. Defensive stocks such as those in healthcare and consumer staples. These are less affected during economic downturns if history has anything to say. Companies that produce essential goods or services tend to see stable demand. It does not matter whether it's an economic downturn or not. They usually see demand. So I want you to look for stocks of companies with strong balance sheets, consistent earnings, and a history of stability during downturns. So, this is what I mean by defensive stocks, and they can provide stability and reliability during a recession. Think of this: bonds and fixed income securities. Bonds, especially government bonds, high-quality corporate bonds, offer safer investments during a recession. Bonds generally provide steady income and are considered lower risk compared to stocks during a recession. So here's an actionable tip. Consider diversifying between government bonds and high-grade corporate bonds to balance risk and return. Bonds and fixed income securities can offer reliable income and safety during tough economic times. Let's talk about precious metals. Precious metals like gold and silver are traditional safe havens during economic uncertainty. They often retain or increase in value when other assets decline, serving as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. Investing in physical metals or ETFs that track precious metal prices may help. Diversifying includes both gold and silver. Precious metals can protect your wealth and provide a hedge against market volatility. Now let's talk and turn our attention toward real estate investments, trusts, REITs. REITs, otherwise known as REITs, offer attractive returns and income stability. How, you may ask? Through dividends, even during recessions. REITs invest in income producing real estate. So they're going to go find the real estate deals that are actually producing some income. And this in turn provides a steady cash flow and potential for capital appreciation. Choose REITs with diverse portfolios and strong management teams. You need to look for specializing because it's essential property sectors like residential or healthcare. REITs offer reliable income streams and potential growth, even in economic downturns. What about investing in high-quality dividend stocks? These stocks could help provide a stable income, and potential is there for capital appreciation. Companies with a history of paying and increasing dividends often have robust business models and can weather the economic downturns. Look for companies with strong track records of dividend payments and sustainable payout ratios. High-quality dividend stocks offer both income and growth potential during recessions. So we've explored 5 smart investments to consider during a recession: defensive stocks and bonds, precious metals, REITs that invest in real estate, and high-quality dividend stocks. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more financial tips and insights, and just general motivation and inspiration, which we need more of. Remember, guys, the sun always rises. I want to thank you for watching. Share your investment strategies or questions or comments in the comment section below. Check out other videos on the channel for more tips of investing, financial success, motivation, and inspiration. We hope to see you guys in the next video. This is Brighten Up Sunshine. Remember, the sun always rises.